Hi everyone, want to make your AI responses feel more dynamic and interactive? Today I'll show you how to use a stream real time in Google AI Studio. So let's dive in. First, all you need to do is to go and visit to the Open Google AI Studio and then sign in with your Google account. Then here click the new prompt. And here you'll be using a Gemini 1.5 API, which supports a streaming responses in real time. And this is perfect for a chatbots, assistants, and interactive tools. Then to enable the streaming, just go to the Playground tab and select your model. Then here in the right sidebar, toggle the enable streaming, which is its real time. Because this allow the model to start responding immediately, token by token, then waiting for the full response to be generated. Then after that, write and run your prompt. After inputting your prompt, press submit and watch the model stream the response live, and you'll see the answer appear in real time, mimicking the natural typing of conversation flow. And then production app, you can use a Gemini API SDK to stream responses with your own front end. And here's the basic Node.js, for example, in streaming. And these allow your app to display a response as it's generated. Then when to start streaming. You can use streaming in chatbots, live assistants, creative writings, and real-time search and Q&A interfaces. And that's how you use a stream real-time in Google AI Studio and Gemini API. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe if you want more AI coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.